Alright, let's go over an issue that's occurring with some student Chromebooks when they're trying to take the CDTs and they have the screen resolution set too low. So this happens when the students go to settings, which is they'll click on the gear icon in the bottom right, pull up the settings, and then they can either scroll down and change the resolution, or it's probably just simplest to find it here. By typing resolution into the search bar. When they go to accessibility features, scroll down, we'll see the display settings. This should be set at 100%. Sometimes to make the icons bigger, students will zoom in essentially to increase that. So with that resolution increased, when we sign out here and go to the CDT app, we'll find that the device no longer passes the DRC system readiness check. So log in to apps, DRC Insight Online Assessments. The app takes a moment to load. This one hasn't grabbed the latest set, so we'll type that in. This is a good. This is the org unit ID. I'll be sending that out also in an email. And we'll go to the system readiness check. And we see here we've got a red exclamation point. If we check the details of that, we see that the screen size is set to 910 by 512 and the minimum is 1024 by 768. So let's log back in. And unfortunately, to change that screen resolution, the students have to log in. They can't change it from the home page here. So they'll log back into the device.
Are they different ones?
No, we're returning this one.
Go to settings. So we're gonna go right back to the same place we were. Pull up resolution. Scroll down until we see display size. We'll set it back to 100, which is what we need, 100%. We should be good to go. We'll sign back out, so that way we can get to the DRC Insight app. There we go. Pulling that up. Oh, if this comes up, it just means they tried to connect to the app before the device had a chance to actually join the Wi-Fi, so I was a little impatient there. And give it another moment. Make sure the Wi-Fi icon is fully good to go. Notice once they've assigned themselves to the correct org unit, they don't have to redo that. That's a one-time deal. We're running the system readiness check again, and screen resolution is now good to go. So we are set to 1366 by 768. So at this point, if the student had a test ticket, they would be able to sign in. Make sure they select the Classroom Diagnostic Tools section from the left. Sometimes they'll select the other test sign-in buttons.